Silver against US dollar. The week started with a bearish candle. We can see the price opened with a gap. On a Tuesday, the price opened again with a gap reaching 47.01, and from here the price has recovered and reached higher price levels. And we can see the price has had problems of going above this area of resistance 48.08, but it has successfully made a bullish breakout, reaching again 48.94. Weekly time frame shows us indecision candle after the previous week has formed a bullish pin bar. It is indecision candle, which means fight between the buyers and the sellers. The price could not manage to go outside of this area, not going above this area of resistance, not going below this area of support. So it's very important to see how the Monday will open. Will it manage to go above this area of resistance, which will open the price to reach higher price levels, where the next target will be around 50.90. So wait for the Monday. It will be much more clear how the price is behaving on the market and also how the market is breathing. Because it's very important, will it open with a gap, like in this example here, and in which direction with a gap. If it opens with a gap on the upper side, this means strong bullish sentiment is entering the market, expecting higher price levels. But if the price goes in the opposite direction, this is the target, where the price could stop. 47.01 is the target. So for now, I am waiting outside of the market to see how the market will open on a Monday. And currently, I am not interested for the price to see it moving in any of the directions, but I am more inclined to see the price going to the higher price levels. Why? This is the bullish pin bar that has formed here, and it is targeting higher price levels. We have here a bullish pin bar indecision candle, which means there is still buying pressure pushing the price up. So it is just a matter of time when the price will make a bullish breakout, reaching high price levels. So I'm more inclined to see the price reaching high price levels. Then I am expecting that the price will go further down to the lower price levels. If you would like to receive the updates during the week, when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakouts, where the price could go, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, so you can also join to receive these updates during the week. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.